ultimate AI-driven pool alarm. With its quadruple alert system, you can enjoy peace of mind. Based on advanced algorithms, the AI camera on Poolert S detects people or animals near the pool and sends a notification to your phone, so you can get notified in advance. The built-in speaker and mic let you remotely deter children or pets from the pool.
Julie, go away.
Poolert S provides continuous video surveillance. You can access a live feed from your smartphone anywhere and anytime. If someone or an animal falls into the pool, Poolert S will immediately trigger the alarms so you can quickly take action to ensure safety. Poolert S runs long on solar charging, and its space aluminum housing ensures high durability and reliability.
Hey Google, switch Poolert S to swim mode.
Poolert S can be paired with Alexa, Google Assistant for voice control. It will turn back to work mode automatically several minutes after the pool has been vacated. Activate sleep mode at night for a quiet environment and uninterrupted peace. Poolert S, AI-driven pool alarm. Extreme intelligence brings extreme security.
Hey!
With every break, get the fever of a new day sun. Feeling good, 1961. Could it be? Maybe so. You got that good power glow. You're taking in what I'm dishing out. Turn it up, turn it in, let it go. Oh, show me moves. From your head down to your shoes. Get loose, get loose.
When you find yourself in the scarcity of the early hours, will you turn back or step forward? Will you let your ambition drive your momentum? Day after day and night after night. There will be ups and downs. But progress will be made, and technique will sharpen. Hearts will race. You will find your bearings and stay the course. Because no matter who you are, your best is just ahead.
Discover iopool, the new smart assistant that makes pool management easy and safe for you and your family. Simply leave Echo in the water. With its state-of-the-art technology and sensors, Echo monitors your pool water quality 24/7. You can check your pool data on your phone. If a treatment is needed, it tells you exactly the right quantity of product to use. All the care products are delivered right at your door, so you never have to worry about which chemicals to use. Thanks to iopool, You can easily manage your pool water at low cost, providing you with everything you need to get the family up and bouncing.
Start dispensing.